Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this session we are going to discuss about Terraform format. So let's look into the agenda. What are the topics we are going to cover in this session? So in this session we are going to start our discussion with the Terraform format. We will understand that what actually Terraform format is. We will also look into why to use Terraform format, and then we will do the demo. So guys, when we are working within a project, then we are working with various team members, and sometimes it happens that some of the team members don't follow the standard to write the TF configuration file. So to understand it better, let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to get the answer of both the question, why to use it and how it is helping us to write a configuration file within a structured manner. So guys, this is the same program which we have used earlier, but this time, and if you closely look into this, then you will find that it is not following the indentation properly. If you are having a small file, that would be okay, but if you are working with a large project, then the file size is going to be really big, and in that scenario it is very difficult to read those files if it is not properly structured. So to handle such scenarios, Terraform offers a command that is called Terraform FMT, and with the help of this command we can properly structure it. So to fix all those indentation issue, so let's open the terminal and let's run Terraform format command, that is FMT. So let's go to the view terminal, and over here we will write Terraform FMT enter. So now it has finished the execution and it took me near about 30 seconds, and if you will see it over here, then you will find that it has removed the indentation which was earlier. So I have a snapshot. If you will look into this, then you will find that how it was placed earlier. Over here you will see that profile is coming like this, reason is coming like this. AMI, you will see that the indentation was not good over here also. And now if you look into that after running the Terraform format command, then you will see that all the indentation which was not there, it is being fixed now. So that is the benefit of using Terraform FMT command, that is stand for Terraform format command, and this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. So let's conclude the session. So guys, in this session we have started our discussion with a question called what is Terraform format, and then we have done a demo, and with the help of demo we have understand that why to use Terraform FMT command or say Terraform format command. So it is used to remove the indentation issue if we are having any kind of indentation issue within our configuration file, that it will remove. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.